Welcome back to Brayford level crossing. We've replaced the barrier arms for some reason. We even just casually cleaned them up. These are brand new, which was not required unless something ploughed through them all completely in the last couple of weeks. Wednesday the 6th of December 2023 at 12:22 for the 12:27 East Midlands Railway service from Leicester. Very weird. Like I say, we've completely replaced all four of these. That one across there we replaced before when it was struck, but we put one that was way too big in, so that's now been rectified and they all fit together again properly. But then because of where they're positioned, that one's very slightly closer to that one as well. Whereas these two are slightly further apart. So it makes me wonder if we've replaced the barriers here for no reason. Have we repaired Bootom's alarm even though it was never received by the local team? Because I've still not heard back on that yet. I'm investigating on the way back. If there's a video from it, then I guess it's either way we're going to find out, aren't we? If there ain't, the question remains. If it hasn't been replaced, why is the report not been submitted from control to the local team yet? It's been several weeks. It was reported at the end of last month. And I proved that I reported it in the last video there. Train's already here. That's only 2.5 minutes later. It's only 5:04. From Leicester. That's that for 12 minutes. Let's get these back up again. We're just supposed to wait for the high street. You can tell since we've replaced them, these are literally as close as you can get them without bashing each other about a bit, if you excuse the pun. Right then, 12:32 for the 12:32 service from Stapleford and Sandyacre to Towton, depending on how long that will take. The 12:36 East Midlands Railway service to Leicester. Which is now one of the more overformed services, usually always having 3 carriages. But it's in the wrong place. If we wanted to help crowding, we would wrap it round in services so it meets the busiest of runs, not the emptiest of runs. It's like, there's not going to get masses of people travelling at lunchtime, are you? It doesn't make sense to 3-car it then. Whereas, say, the evening peak, it makes a lot more sense because there'll be a lot more people about. My example of, say, evening peak service is that bloody 1634 Nottingham Grimsby that's always full and standing, and always only 2 carriages. Because the units with more carriages are on the none busier runs. This will be going on the down main to wait time, because the op's going to be used by 2K11 heading to Peterborough. train approaching. It should in theory be the only one, but we've got one more in 2 minutes time, so if we're staying for that, I don't know. Yeah, we'll be staying for the next one. (66041). The next train is pretty much due to leave now. We're just waiting for that one to be off the junctions out the way of it.
I'm just at the railway crossing. I had a fall. At the railway crossing in front of the Odeon cinema outside. Odeon, there's a railway crossing there. But, yeah. Thank you. Left on that.
See what crowding on the other footbridge, but the steam train's not until next weekend. Which is under amended timings as well. This one's now running late. Yeah, we've a train departing the railway station. Just a recent repaint from Southern, I think. If it's that one. Yeah, it is. It's only 423. Well, that's stuff. Just to pile that together, you'd only have a carriage and a half of people worth. Instead of 3 separate ones, mostly empty. And that was 6 minutes for them too anyway. So that'll be that.